Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Code Buddy. I hope you are doing extremely well and your placement preparation is also going well. Well guys, first of all, if you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed this channel till now, then do consider subscribing this channel as this really motivates me to make more such content for you and for your placement preparation. Alright, well if you are preparing for Accenture, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. In this video, we are going to solve some pseudocodes questions that are recently asked in your Accenture exam. And it can be a case that these questions can be repeated in your exam as well. Alright, so this is the very first question. So here are three integers p, q, r, and there are some values p equals to 4, q equals to 2, and r equals to 5. Then in the third line, what we are doing? We are updating the value of p by performing an operation. And the operation is addition operation, simple. Q plus p. So q is 2 plus p was 4 plus p is 4. So it will be 10. So now the updated value of p is 10. Now coming on to the line number 4, and there is a if condition. So we will have to check for the condition whether the condition is true. So we will go into the if part, otherwise we will move into the else part directly. Right. So let's check for the condition q plus p. So what is the value of q is 2 and the p latest value of p is 10 here. So 10 is less than r minus q. So what is the value of r? R is 5 minus q. Q is 2. And this is the logical and. Okay, 3 is greater than p. P is 10. Okay, so this logical and will tell that whether this condition is going to be true or not. So if this part and this part, if both the parts are giving 1, or we can say if both the parts are true, or if both the conditions are true, then in only that case we will move into the if part, right? So as we can see here, like this is little bit long. So first we will solve the short thing, right? So as we can see here that 3 is not greater than 10, so it will give us 0. So if any of these is 0, so the whole condition will become 0 only, or we can say false. So we don't need to go into the if part here, as the condition is false, and we will directly jump out at the else part at the line number 12. In the else part, okay, there is no any condition, so we will simply solving the question further. So q value will be updated to r and r. So this is the bitwise r. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to convert the integer into binary to perform bitwise and operation, right? So r value is 5 and 5. So first of all, we need to convert them into binary. So how we can convert them into binary? So there is a code 8421. Okay, so how we can make 5 we can make 4 plus 1, right? So at the position of 4 and 1, we will mark 1 and 1, and the remaining places are 0. So this is the binary code for 5, right? Again, 1 0 1. Okay, so now we need to perform AND operation. So how does AND work? AND work, if both the values are 1 and 1, then in only that case the condition is going to be true, and rest all of the cases will be false. So 1 and 1 1 0 0 0, 1 and 1 1 0 0 0. So it will again will become 5 only. So the q value will become 5. Okay, now here again there is a condition we need to check. If q minus 5, so q value was 5, so 5 minus 5 is less than 5 minus q. So q value is 5, so 5 minus 5 will become 0 is less than 0. So 0 is less than 0, so the condition is again false. We will directly jump out here at line number 18, and at line number 18 we need to update the value of p by performing some operation, and the operation is bitwise XOR, right? So 1 cap 11 plus q value was 5. All right, so this is the bitwise operator, so we need to convert them into binary. So let's convert them into binary. So I'm converting here 0 0 0 1, and for 11, what will be the code? 8421. So 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 11, so it will be 0. Now this XOR operation work like if both the values are same, so in that case it will return us 0, and if both the values are different, so in that case it will return us 1. So 1 and 1 same, so it will give us 0. 0 and 1 both are different, so it will give us 1. 0 0 both are same, so it will give us 0. 0 1 1 both are different, so it will give us 1. So what it is? It is 10. Okay, so it will be 10 plus 5, so it will become 15. So the value of p is 15 and the value of q is 5, and r was never been updated, so r is 5. Keep in mind, right? Now here is the end of if. Now at the line number 20, what we need to do, we need to print them, p plus q plus r. So what is the value of p is 15, what is the value of q is 5, and the r value is also 5. So 5 and 5 will become 10, 10 plus 15, so it will be 25, and 25, option number B, will be the correct answer for this question. I hope it makes sense, I hope it is clear to you. So let's move on to the next question now. So have a look on this question. There are three integers p, q, r, and the value of these are p equals to 4, q equals to 2, and r equals to 8. All right. Now at the line number third, what we will do, we will check for a condition. If 7 plus r, so what is the value of r is 8 is less than q, q is 2, or p plus r, p is 4 plus r is 8 is less than q, so q is 2. All right. So 8 and 7 will become 15 is less than 2, or 12 is less than 2. So this is false, right? And also this is false. 0 or 0. Okay, this is the logical or. So if both the cases are 0, so it will return as 0 only. So the whole condition will become 0, and we will jump out from the if part and we will directly come into the else part on the line number 8. Now on the line number 8, what we will do, we need to update the value of r, that is 6 plus 4, so it will become 10, and p was 4, right? So as this is the bitwise end, so we need to convert them into binary. So let's convert them. 8 4 2 1. So what will be the binary code of 10? So 8 plus 2 will become 10, and the rest of 0, and 4 for 0 0, and this, right? Now and so and works if both the values are 1 and 1, so in only that case it will return as 1, and rest of all the cases will become 0 only. So 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0, so it will become 0. R value is r value is now 0, right? So I am writing here that r is now 0. All right. So we have done with this. Now at the line number 9th, we need to again check for a condition. P plus 4. So P value was 4 only. So 4 plus 4 is less than 9 plus P. P is 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8 is less than 9 plus 4 is 13. So this condition will become true, and we will come into the if part. So here we need to change the value of Q, or we can say we have to update the value of Q by P plus 6. So P value was 4 plus 6 and r was 0 from here, so it will become 10 and 0. So again this is the bitwise end, so we need to convert them into binary, then we will take, right? So 1 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 0, and there is the end operation, so it will become 0 0 0 only. So q value is also 0 from here, right? So I'm writing here like q value is also 0, and then we will come here and on the line number 12, right? So we will again update the value of r. So I am writing here q plus 4. So q value was 0 plus 4, and p value was 4 only. So 4 and 4, right? So 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, so it will give us 4 only, right? So r value is now 4. From here I'm writing r value is now again 4. So here is the end of if. Now here q assign p or p. Okay, so p or p was 4 or 4. So this is the XOR operation, and this is a bitwise operation. So we need to convert them into binary, then we will find out the resultant. So 4 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. So XOR works like if both the values are same, so in that case it will return as 0, and if both the values are different, so in that case it will return as 1. So 0 0 same, so it will give us 0, 0 0 same, so it will give us 0, 1 1 same, so it will give us 0, 0 0 same, so it will give us 0. So it will become 0 only. So q value is now 0, right? Now come here and see, print p plus q plus r. So p was never been updated, so it is 4, plus q is just updated to 0, so it is 0, and r is 4, so r will become 4, and the whole answer will become 8, and this one will be the answer for this question. I hope it makes sense. So let's move on to the next question now. So there are three integers, and the values are a equals to 2, b equals to 4, and c equals to 7, right? So in the third line, we need to update the value of b, that is 7 plus a. A is 2, so it will become 9. So here b value will become 9 first of all. Now in this line number 4, if c is greater than b, so what is the value of c is 7 is greater than b. B is 9. So 7 is greater than 9. So this will become false. We will not go into the if part. We will directly jump out here at the line number 7, and we will update the value of v by 6 plus a. So a was 2. So it will become 8. So now this time v value is 8. Okay. Now at the line number 8, here is the condition. If a plus b, that means 2 plus 8 is less than b minus a. That means 8 minus 2, or c is less than a. So c value is 7 is less than a is 2, right? So it will become 10 is less than 6, right? Or 7 is less than 2, so this will give us 0. So this will give us 0, also this will give us 0. So 0 or 0 will become 0 only. So the whole condition will become false. We will directly jump out here in the else part, and we will update the value of a by c plus b. So what was the value of c was 7, plus the last updated value of b was 8. So 8 plus 7 will become 15, and a value is now 15. Here the end of if, and here we need to convert the value of c, or we need to update the value of c by c plus 9. So c was 7 plus 9 zor a was 15, right? The previous value 9 and 7, 9 and 7, 16 zor 15, right? So let's take a zor of these. So 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay, so for making 16, we will use 1, 0, 0, 0. And for making 15, we will use these all, right? Now, XOR operation works when both the values are different. So in that case, it will return as 1. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So what it will become? It will become 16 plus 8. That means 24, 24 plus 4. That means 28, 28 plus 2. That means 30, and this is 31. So C value will become 31, and at the line last a plus b plus c. So a was 15, b was b was 8, and c was 31. So what it will become? 13 and 1, 4, 14, right? And this will become 5. So 54. Option number D, 54 will be the correct answer for this question. The question was little bit tricky, but the easy one, right? So let's move on to the next question now. All right. So the next question is, there are three integers. So I'm writing here a value is 1, b value is 6, and c value is 7. Right. And here we need to update the value of v. So v will become a and b. So a and 6 plus 6. So this is the bitwise AND. So we need to convert them into binary. Then we will see. So 0, 0, 0, 1. And for 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. 8421, right? So and 10 will give us 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it will become 0 plus 6, so it will become 6. So v value is now 6, right? So in the for loop, what we will do, for each c from 3 to 5, so 3 c value is 3, and it will goes up to 5, and c plus plus. Okay, we assign a plus a XOR A, and let me write first 12 plus 5 plus A, and the completion of for loop. Now in the for loop, first of all, C value is 3 now, not 7, right? In the for loop, we are taking C as 3. Now here we will check for the condition whether 3 is less than equals to 5. So yes, the condition is true. We will come into the for loop, and v value will be updated to a plus a. That means uh, a value was 1. So 1 plus 1, that means 2 XOR 1. Right? So 2 XOR 1 will become 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So what it will become? It will become 3. 8, 4, 2, 1. It will become 3. So here v value is 3. Again we will update the value of v. So it will become 12 and 5, 17 plus a. So a value was 1 only. So it will become 18. So I am writing here like the last updated value of v was 18. Right? And now c value will be incremented. So c will become 4. 4 is less than equals to 5. So the condition is true. It will again update the value of v by the same operation, right? So the same operation. So a plus a XOR a. So a value was never been updated. So it will become 2 XOR 1. So it will give us again 3, right? Now again it will change the value of v. So it will become 12 and 5, that means 17 plus a was 1 only, so it will become 18 only, right? So v is now again 18, so it will again increase the value count of c. So c value will become 5, 5 is less than equals to 5, so the condition is true. Again the whole thing will happen and nothing will change, right? Again the value of c will increment, so 6 is less than 5, so this time the condition is false. We will jump out from the for loop, and here we need to update the value of a by a is or 9. So a is 1 or 9 plus 1. So let's check for this, like 0001, and the binary code of 9 is 8421. So binary code of 9 is this. Okay, so for XOR, so 11000000001. So it will give us 8. So 8 plus 1 will become 9, and this is the value of a, right? And here print a plus b. So 9 plus v was 18 last time, so 18 plus 9, 27. 27 will be the correct answer for this question, right? So in the follow, we didn't do anything, right? We didn't do anything. It was just our loop, okay? And the value remains same, and the option number C will be the correct answer for this question. So have a look on the next question. So the next question is based on recursion. So A value is 7 and B value is 8. Now, in the function, so a is passed as 7, is b is passed as 8. And first of all, we will check for the condition if 4 minus a, that means 4 minus 7 is less than a minus b, that means 7 minus 8. And a is less than b, so a is 7 is less than b, b is 8. Alright, so 4 minus 7 will become minus 3 is less than minus 1, and 7 is less than 8, so it will give us 1. So minus 3 is less than minus 1, yes. Why? Because minus 1 is greater than minus 3. Okay, so it will give us 1 and 1, so the whole condition will become true. So we will jump into the if part. So first of all, let me erase it, okay, so that we will have a space to solve it. The very first time our condition is true, now we are solving in the if part. Just wait. All right, so in the if part we will update the value of a. 2 plus 1 plus a, so it will become 3 plus a. 3 plus a, that means 10. 3 plus 7 will become 10, and from here v is a plus 3, that means 10 plus 3 will become 13 plus v. The last updated value of v was never been updated, so it is 8 only, so it will become 21. And again a value will become 3 plus 1, that means 4 plus b, that means 21, so it will become 25. Now here return function a comma b. So here we are making a function call, right? So here we are making a function call for, let me write here, function a comma b. So this time a value is 25 comma b value is 21, plus function again calling a comma a, right? At the place of a it is 25, and again at the place of v here we are passing 25 only, right? Plus 1. So now a value is 25 and b value is 21. So first of all, we will make a function call for this function call only. So in this function, we need to consider that a value is 25 as of now and b value is 21. So let's solve this question further, right? Just a minute. Recursion questions are a little bit tricky, but if you know how to solve them, you will easily solve, right? Just a minute. So this time you don't need to consider a value is 7 and b value is 8. Now the value has been updated to 25 and 21. So again in this function, first of all, let's check for the condition. If 4 minus a, so at the place of a, we will pass 25 is less than a minus b. That means 25 minus 21, and a is less than b. So 25 is less than 21. So it will become minus ka 21 is less than 4, and 25 is less than 21, so this will give us 0. So as there is the AND operation and this is 0, so the whole condition will become 0 only and the condition will become false. So if the condition is become false, so it will out of the if part and it will come on to the A, and the A value will be updated to A plus 2. That means the previous value of A was 25 plus 2 plus A, the previous value 25, right? So it will become 25 plus 25, 50 plus 2, 52. So this time A value is now 52, and from here we need to return A minus 1, that means 51 we will return, and this return, okay, so this function call will return us 51, right? Now now this is the time to make a function call for A value equals to 25 and B value equals to 25. Okay, now the arguments are these and we will be calling this function, and let's see that how it is going to happen. Again, let me erase it. All right, so this is the time to make a function call for this. A equals to 25 and also B equals to 25. So the same function will run if 4 minus A, so 4 minus 25 is less than A minus B, that means 25 minus 25, and 25 is less than 25, right? So after seeing here, like 25 is not less than 25, so it will return the 0. So if any of the condition is 0, so the whole condition will become false, right? So the whole condition will become false. This is come out of the if part and it will update the value of A by A plus 2. So A value was 25. 25 plus 2 will become 27 plus A. A is 25 only. So it will become 52 again. Now return A minus 1. So it will return 51. So it will return 51. So 51 will be returned plus 1. So 51 plus 51. 51 plus 51 plus 1, so it will become 3 and it will become 103, and 103 option number 3 will be the correct answer for this question. I hope it makes sense. I hope it is clear to you. So yeah, that's all for today from my side. I hope all the questions are clear to you. So still you have doubts, then what you can do is you can ping me on Telegram. I will solve your doubt, or you can ask me in the comment section as well. So yeah, we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.